Then there people are coming to the Gullah Geechee Nation want Yeddi but in cash crop. That sea island cotton will come here from Kemet. This other way come from Gullah. That's like when them betif we who they call the black gold. They have know, so we been gonna bring in this your Carolina gold too. For we now pun, yeah, the seed get ya from Madagascar with some of your family. Still from the windward coast, rice coast, when I use the chateau. And see how I can still come here. And I see we the fineness here. And yeah, you can go and you wanna see the chateau so this year that I indigo. So 100 children look real deeply, look nice and slow. When I can see all of we right here, these your soul and thing, still there, and this your land upon the sea. When 100 come here to these your sea island, even now, and 100 want Yeddi more, but who we be, Gwine, Yona, and Yeddi, and then come here for cracking teeth with this your Gullah Geechee family.